Hi everyone, welcome to day 2. My name is Jessica Singh and I'm preparing for UPSC Civil Services Examination 2027 and this is my second attempt. In today's video, we're going to talk about something important, and that is what all are the problems that I am facing right now in my journey. So it's been a year since I've been preparing for this, and along the way, I've faced a lot of obstacles. But right now, I think the only difference between who you want to be and who you actually are your habits. And from where am I saying it? so, so basically, this is Atomic Habits, a very, 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 very famous book. And honestly, I got it when I was 18, and I'll be 22 next month. Now is when I'm actually reaping the benefits of reading this book, and this is the first time that I'm actually giving it a good read as well. So yeah, I mean, I truly believe in the fact that books call you. If you're not meant to read something, you wouldn't, no matter what. So this book has finally called me, and I actually understood a very, very good concept yesterday, which is about the habit scoring, or like habit scorecard. Just give me a second. Yeah, so it's about the habit scorecard along with a case study on Japanese railways. So we're going to talk about the case study later in this video, but first step is that I acknowledge and I accept all the challenges that I'm facing right now. And yeah, I'm just gonna tell you guys in brief what all are the challenges that I'm actually facing right now. So the first and the major challenge is with consistency. Very important, because I live in a joint family, and I know it has nothing to do with consistency, but still there are like so much of distractions and all of that which sometimes actually hinder. So I think this is my first challenge. Second challenge is definitely basically consistency. Maybe ऐसा होता है कि first 3 days are actually very good, high powered, I love them, and on the fourth day मेरा ऐसा ग्राफ जाके ऐसे हो जाता है एकदम. So this is something that I need to work on, and if you guys know any of the solutions, then do let me know in the comments. But this is something that I've been facing since a very long time. पर अगर मैं अपने आप को फोर्स कराऊँ, बैठूँ, पढ़ूँ, तो हो जाता है, but then it's again not very sustainable for me. So first challenge is this that I'm facing. The second challenge that I'm facing currently in my journey is loneliness. I don't mean to say it like कि भाई बहुत लोग होने चाहिए and everyone should be around, I should be talking to friends. This journey is isolating, and I have accepted it. Okay? Now I've accepted it. Not your college friends or school friends or anyone is going to stay with you in this journey, because it is very demanding. But still, like, there are a few people who do have a very good peer group, and मुझे बस वो FOMO हो रहा है, which I actually see. But still, like, we have to do something about this, because at times I do find myself very lonely, where I'm not able to decipher my emotions or just rant out. So I think I've rescued to journaling for that, but still that is kind of a problem for me. Now the third challenge is, yeah, so the third challenge is something that all of us face, and that is distractions. So distractions, I'm not talking about my mobile phone, my social media, because I'm not there on any of the social media websites. So yeah, except for YouTube, of course. And YouTube is not a very big distraction for me, and all of these websites do not serve as a distraction to me, because जब मुझे पता चल जाता है that this is actually taking up my time, that is the very time I disable that app from my mobile and I switch to the web version of it. So that's my hack. Okay, so this is one thing, but the distractions here are internal distractions, like fear of failing. What if I cannot do this? What if all those thoughts? Everyone has them. So yeah, even I have those thoughts. And yeah, though that's like my inner distraction, इसके लिए भी कुछ solutions ढूंढने पड़ेंगे. So we'll figure that out, but first things first, that I have to accept it. It's almost 6:30 p.m. right now, and fourth challenge मेरा यही है that whenever I have a really bad morning, I kind of associate it with having a bad day. Instead of actually reviving that day, I give up. I'm like, कल से restart करेंगे. But today I'm going to face that challenge finally. मेरा आधा दिन went into work and now I'm left with half of my day. So I'm gonna do the most out of it. And yeah, and I've grabbed my coffee and we're gonna start with our first lecture of the day. And I'm planning कि बस हो जाए अच्छे से जो भी होना है. So yeah, that's about the challenges that I'm facing right now. So I'm gonna be talking now about the book and the chapter that I read yesterday. So basically, I was always a very self-help book wala person, but in the middle, I just loved psychological thrillers because one of my friends recommended me, and she had literally sent me a few books which actually made me read them, and they were so good. I loved it, and I think that is my rescue after a long hectic day as well. But now what I've planned is that with every 1 or 2 chapters that I read of psychological thrillers every day, I'm gonna read a chapter of this, and you know, I actually understand it and I actually feel what is written in this book now, जो मुझे पहले शायद when I was 18 मैं नहीं कर पाती थी. So yesterday I read about something very interesting called the Habits Scorecard. इसमें so for those of you who have already read this book, you guys can skip and bye bye for you all. But for all those who have not read this yet, I'm gonna just tell you guys a very interesting case study along with a habit scoring card wala thing. Okay, so whatever. So basically in Japanese railways, okay, मैं से पहले बहुत अच्छा कोट मैंने इसमें हाईलाइट किया हुआ था which I had to say is by Carl Jung, and it says until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. So it's a very good quote, I loved it. But yeah, we're going to get on to the Japanese railway ka case study. So basically in Japanese railway there is a system called pointing and calling. So whenever like the railways are passing through, or like, you know, basically it's like a safety system. They just point and call out all the things like the meter and you know what, मैं क्या बताऊँ, हाँ मतलब ये सब चीज़ों को वो लोग पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि ये इतना हो रहा है, सबवे में इतने लोग हैं, whatever. तो वो सब वो पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. एंड इट ऑल्सो बेसिकली पॉइंटिंग एंड कॉलिंग से क्या होता है कि द level of consciousness actually increases in our actions. So basically whenever we are so habitual to things, we just do them, we tend to do them very unconsciously, right? So this technique, pointing and calling out the thing, will actually make that unconscious thing a conscious thing. So that is the basic crux of a habit scorecard. So for that, what you need to do is you have to maintain a, you just have to have a list of things that you do every single day. Like just write down, you wake up and then you brush your teeth and then you maybe scroll your phone or whatever. So just make a list of all the things that you do in a day. You don't have to consciously improve it, you just have to make a list of it. So once you've made that list, in that just categorize the habits, like waking up at this time. For example, if you wake up late, then that habit would be a minus, but if you wake up early, then that habit would be a plus. And brushing your teeth and all of these normal activities will be neutral, which is equals to equal का साइन, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली ऐसा हैबिट स्कोर कार्ड बनता है, एंड योर हैबिट्स डिसाइड हु यू विल बी इन द फ्यूचर. सो आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आई वांटेड टू शेयर इट विद यू ऑल. एंड यू गाइस कैन ऑल्सो मेक योर हैबिट्स स्कोर कार्ड. एंड इसमें आई गेस एक वेबसाइट भी है जहाँ पे आप जाके बना सकते हो, या फिर एक टेम्पलेट आपको मिल सकता है. If anyone of you want wants to have that, you guys can actually visit the atomichabits.com/scorecard की वेबसाइट. वहाँ पे इसका टेम्पलेट मिल जाता है. बट ऑल इन ऑल आई वुड जस्ट से दैट इसमें लिखा है दैट हैबिट्स दैट reinforce your desired identity are usually good. Habits that conflict with your desired identity are usually bad. So that's how you identify good and bad habits. And yeah, so I'm gonna revive my today and work for tomorrow. And मैं क्या ही बोल रही हूँ, but whatever. So this is my second video and I've talked so much today, but all in all यही पूरा है. And we're going to get on this journey together. And yeah, if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And even if you didn't like it, it's fine, because मैं तो अपनी जर्नी डॉक्यूमेंट करने आई हूँ. And yeah, see you